Hello, yeah, welcome back to my channel and yeah, welcome back to my video. So this is Tolulope, popularly known as Diaryofacookbook, and then today, after a long time, yes I know, and I'm back. We'll be making peanut soup, and then some people call it granite soup, and then it is very easy. Yes, we use our regular peanuts that we eat. Yeah, so I'll be showing you the list of ingredients used. So I'll be showing you the list of ingredients. So first thing first, just as I said them, is the granite soup for the peanuts. Then the blended crayfish, which is known as crayfish powder. I have some stockfish, which is usually the fleshy parts, but we could use the bony part if that is what is available to you. And then some red oil. And I have some dry fish here, which I've already soaked in some hot water. And I have some blended pepper. And I have my seasoning. I have some salt. And I'll be using some pepper, some tomato paste. You might remove it if you don't like it. So then along the process, I'll be mentioning some few ingredients that will be added to it, but this is the major primary ingredients. So let's go. Are you ready?